Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily DVAR HALACHA. And here's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Monday, February 4th, 29th day of Shvat. 29th of Shvat means that Monday night, Tuesday is going to be the last day of Shvat, Rosh Chodesh, and second day of Rosh Chodesh will be Tuesday night into Wednesday, the first day of the month of Adar. Yeah, we'll talk about that. Okay, now you know that there is a halacha that you're not supposed to, you might know, that there's a halacha that you're not supposed to put on two garments at the same time. Mystically speaking, it can cause forgetfulness. So the question is, we're in our unit about shoes. What about if you have shoes that are already stuck inside of their outer rubbers or boots or something? Can you just slip your shoe into simultaneously the shoe and the outer cover of the shoe? And most of the poskim say, yeah, that's fine. It doesn't fall under this halacha that we just mentioned. You know that men aren't supposed to wear ladies' clothes and ladies aren't supposed to wear men's clothes. What about just the rain shoes of a lady and a man wants to just pop them on? So a lot of poskim say that's not a problem of men wearing ladies' clothing and it would be okay. Okay, there's also a halacha that you're not supposed to wear the shoes of a deceased person. The Sefer HaChasidim says that. So if you know that those shoes belong to a certain man who died, you should not be wearing them. Now, there are some people who say that it only applies when he was wearing the shoes when he died. Moshe Feinstein said it only applies when you don't know the cause of death of that person. We're worried about contagious diseases and such. But just know that issue is out there. So if it would ever apply to you, it's just be cautious. Okay. Some allow the slippers of a dead person that you could wear them, but same spooky topic. The Chida says that shoes should not be put near your head while you're sleeping. Shoes should not be near your head while you're sleeping, according to the Chida. And also, this one is a law. It also sounds practical. No leather shoes should be worn with wet feet. That is a halacha. We are lenient today because a lot of us wear socks that intercede between our wet shoes and our feet, and so we're lenient about that. Some people are strict about not going around the house in bare feet because that seems like we're acting like mourners, and so some are careful to not walk around the house in bare feet. It's a halacha also not to wear tight shoes; it could cause illness. And lastly, just to wrap up this almost 2-week thing that we've been doing on shoes, is if you ever get to shul and you had rubbers on the outside of your shoes, you leave them in the coat room, and when you get there, someone switched yours, and you want to know whether you can wear the other guy's home. So a lot of rabbis say that you can actually be lenient on that because a lot of people consider these cheap rubbers that we wear on the outside of our shoes just kind of like interchangeable, and everybody goes home with something, and it would be okay if you switch them because the owner probably doesn't mind. Okay, and don't forget Rosh Chodesh and all of your additions that happen Monday night and Tuesday night and Wednesday. Have a very good Chodesh. Thanks for logging on. Log on again tomorrow for more. Bye-bye.